Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. I'm here with another tutorial from series of the Flask REST API. And in this session, I'm going to explain how you can define the username and password in encrypt format through the Flask REST API into MySQLdb. This is practical and very helpful for development. If you are interested in this topic, please stay with me and let's get started. Okay, I'm going to write this code from beginning until end and run it together. This is our previous code. It's about how you can ingest the data with the basic authentication. So what we would need, we would need this item, these frameworks, and also these is necessary. Let's just copy and paste. And also we would need one more framework as a Flask-Bcrypt, and we would need to import in this format, bcrypt. This framework is useful and is applicable for encrypt the password in a database. When you are inserting the password through the API, it will be saved in database in encrypt format. So I am using this framework for encrypting the data. Then I would need again the same, and also I need to define in to say okay, put it in bcrypt in bcrypt, and I'm going to define the connect the database. Okay, let me define connect to data. Okay, then I'm using again try function for debugging, and I'm saying that okay, I want a connection, defining this connection, and MySQL dot connector dot connect. Okay, then then I am using define the host. Let me just copy and paste this item. Oh, this one I'm afraid of to have some mistake on the formatting, so let me just very quickly copy and paste. And this is my user, and password. Okay, perfect. Then I am going to say that, okay, if connection is connected, then return connection and give me for exception the except error SE, and then print whatever error. And then return no. Then I am going to define the one custom module, and this custom module is defining one endpoint, and this endpoint I am going to giving as a register. Oops, okay. Then I'm defining as a register for this endpoint, and the method I'm defining as a post. Then I'm giving as a post, and then we need to define the register user parentheses, and we need to try to giving to that's data and a request to get the JSON format from API, and define the username data.get username yes, and second data or attribute is password. Okay, then I am saying if username and password are available, then as a hashed password, here is the most important part. We need to call the bcrypt dot generate the password, hash, and then which one should be hashed password. And I need to decode it as a UTF-8 and oops, UTF-8 process to close it. And for connection, it connected to database, then if connection is available, then I need to define the cursor and connection.cursor, and then I would need to insert this query. Oops, what's happened? Insert, define the one I will put it into the insert query, and I'm going to define insert into for ingesting data in the database, and what should be the users with the username and password hash. And the values, the format, it should be this way. Okay, so far so good. Then I would need to execute this cursor, that execute, and execute this insert query, and username and password hash. Okay, then connection dot commit, oh, I made a mistake. I think, let me check. Okay, I should put here, because I already defined the username and password, and then I hashed this password. I hashed the password and dropped in this. So after uh, this is defined in my database, which I need to define it later on. I will define it, and this is for execution. So username is username, but the password is the hash password. Then then connection.commit to save whatever is in DB, and then I need to close the cursor.close, close, and close the connection, and then return J25 curly bracket, and to send a message after it's saved. I want to send a message to say user register successful. Okay, and then define the code 201. Oops. 201. And I would need to define else return for same process. Error, and then say to failed to connect to database. Maybe we can say 500, and if totally was not responding, then we can say return error, because here is for username and password. So I can say this error is related to username and password are required, and then one exception for return this 400, and then here I need the exception. Let's we can copy paste from here because it's Okay, then after all these things, we have to define our last item for defining this app. Okay, then let's save it and go to MySQL part. Here we need to define the tables. So I'm going to create the table as a users, and then give them one ID as an integer and also incremental. Then here I have to give the username as a varchar, and it should be unique. And then I'm going to provide the password, and I'm giving as a 255. Okay. Then let's save it and let's run this project, this coding. Add user. Okay, this module I didn't install in my environment, so let's install it first. Okay, then run it. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, perfect. Then now the server is up and running. So let's, with the postman, to trigger this username and password. This already defined username and one password. There is no username and password in the DB, so let's trigger. What we got is internal server. Let's see what is the error. Unknown column password hash in field list. Oh, okay. Sorry, my bad. We have to define this wording in our database. This one should be password hash, not only the password, based on our definition. Then let's get back to here you go. User registered successfully. Then let's get back to our database. Here you can see the password is hashed and is now encrypted, and no one can see what is the password. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video was helpful, please support me with your like button and share this video for promotion. And if you have any question, please do not hesitate. Drop your question in comments below. Definitely I will get back to you. And if you have a specific topic which you think it is good to make video or tutorial about that, please drop in the comment below. Definitely I will take into account. Thank you again and see you in next one.